Hi, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Handy Heroes Mini Multi-Tool. This is a Leatherman style multi-tool, so it fits right in the palm of your hand, so you can see. It fits onto your keyring or keychain with a small keychain. I've just attached a simple paracord lanyard to make it easier for getting out of your pocket or my face in my backpack. If you open it up, the first thing you have is pliers, which are not spring loaded, and they only have a mole grip. As well, you have a straight edge knife, a needle thread, here, a medium sized flathead screwdriver, and a nail file, if you can make that out, nail file and nail cleaner here. On the opposite side, you have a serrated blade, you just make out. One sec, I apologise for this. There we go. Phillips screwdriver, very small, good for glasses. A small flathead screwdriver, which you can just see there. And a bottle opener and tin opener, or can opener. Okay, let's start with the pliers. Pliers on this are absolutely tiny. They are, I think, 3.5 centimeters long. They snap in half, just absolutely snap. The first time I used them, you can just see just there. You probably can't really make that out, but there's a crack in it, just here. And it just, the first time I used it, I put a little bit of pressure on it and it just snapped, which I thought was absolutely ridiculous. So if you're needing a multi-tool with a decent pair of pliers, I would not recommend this. Okay. The serrated blade is, I think, 4 centimeters long, the same size as the normal blade. Very handy for opening packages, things like that, that's what I use it for. Let's see if I get this out this time. I doubt it. Okay, there we go. The small Phillips screwdriver, as I said, handy for glasses. I don't have glasses, but most of my family does, so handy to have. Here, have a small flathead screwdriver. You can just make out there. Don't use it very much, but it comes in handy when I do use it. And here I have a bottle opener and can opener, which I haven't used, but it looks decent quality, and I think you could probably use this as a very small screwdriver. On the opposite side, as I said, you have the blade, straight blade, very sharp, and it's the same size as I said, 4 centimeters. The needle thread is, you're not going to use it very much, but it can come in handy if you ever do use it. The medium sized flathead screwdriver I do use quite a lot, and it is very useful. It's very handy to have on you. And the nail file and nail cleaner I do not use very much, but I suppose you could always use it for filing down a little bit of metal, or wood, whatever. When you close it, because I screwed it in, it doesn't work very well. It won't close properly if you push it down very hard. The dimensions of this, I meant to say, are 2 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 1 centimeter. I do carry this around in my backpack with my everyday carry, but I carry it alongside my true utilities. Scattered, I think. Yes, I have a review on this on my channel. I use this for the pliers and the tools on this. Thanks for watching my review. For more written reviews and more on products like this, please visit my website, newsviewsandreviews.blogspot.com. If you possibly could, I would like you to rate, comment and subscribe. And if you know or think of any way I could improve my videos, feel free to leave a comment on it. Or if you even think what I could do for my next video, please feel free to write that in the comment. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.